Parting is such sweet sorrow. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel RV'n and ATV'n, and I'm Dave. I know it's been a while since we posted any videos, but we had to take a little time off for the winter, plus let this beard grow a little more. But hey, we're ready to get back into the 2025 riding season and start some new adventures. So this video is actually bittersweet for us. We're saying goodbye to our 2021 Kawasaki Teryx 4S 800. So before we load it up for the last time, I want to do a final thought, and this maybe a quick review. And not only am I losing daylight, I've lost daylight. So let's get right into it. So we bought the Teryx in August of 21. The main reason was so we could take the hounds with us on our trips. We had two Polaris Sportsmans, and me and some buddies built a box for the back of Sharon's machine, but those boys outgrew that quickly. So we moved into the side-by-side world. We removed the back seat and made a doggy seat, and the boys just love it. We've had some great adventures with this Teryx. Several trips to Pennsylvania, the UP and Michigan, Kentucky, West Virginia, and Ohio. This Kawasaki Teryx is a great machine. It's comfortable and it's definitely been reliable. We've gotten ourselves into some sticky situations and she's always come through. If anybody's looking at getting a Kawasaki Teryx, we say definitely do it. We love this machine, but we're saying goodbye. Not to riding, but to Ruby. We're trading her in for something new. So we'll be unveiling the new Hound Hauler in an upcoming video, and we hope you check that out. If you have a Kawasaki Teryx, let us know your thoughts in the comments. And one other thing, give us a like and a share, and if you're new to our channel, please subscribe, we greatly appreciate it. So how do we rate the Kawasaki Teryx 4 800S? Well, definitely two happy white dogs. I'm Dave, and for Sharon, Mo, and Charlie, thanks Ruby, and thank you all for watching.